Yeah. Beth L. Strickler and Elizabeth A. Schell investigate owner interactions, the prevalence of stimuli and selective behavioural problems regarding indoor domestic cats in their research article, An Owner Survey of Toys, Activities and Behaviour Problems in Indoor Cats. The relationship of enrichment and behaviour had not been fully evaluated in pet domestic cats. Thus, this study aimed to assess the behavioural wellness of the indoor Felis catus. The survey goals were to identify the frequency and duration of owner-cat daily interactions, toys and activities provided, the prevalence of these 6 selected behavioural problems, owner-vet consultations regarding behavioural issues, and evaluating the relationship between number of toys, activities and problems. 277 surveys were distributed to clients of 5 small animal veterinary hospitals in Tennessee, whose cats have been to the hospitals for anything other than a primary behavioural complaint, a method which allows for a less biased survey. The 6-page survey included basic information, questions about undesirable behaviours, food, play and the health of the feline, and was completed on day of distribution. The results of the survey noted that there was a fairly equal distribution of sexes, with the age of felines averaging 5 years and approximately 2 cats per home. 81% of cats were neutered and 29% declawed, which did not significantly impact findings. 63% of cats were indoors at all times, made up of more females than males. This is all represented in Table 1. 61% of the owners reported that their cat engaged in at least one of the 6 possible undesirable behaviour categories, with aggression towards owner being most prominent. However, male felines were 50% more likely to have one or more behavioural issues in comparison to females. This result concurs with other studies, as males tend to display territorial behaviour and aggression more than females. As represented in Figure 3, considerably fewer behavioural problems occurred for those who played with their cat for 5 minutes or more at a time than those who played for 1-minute bouts. The study therefore showed a significant relationship between owner-cat playtime and the number of behavioural issues. Strickler and Scholl note screening cats for health problems would have created a more controlled study, as health can influence behaviour. Also not included in the study was the evaluation of play duration and intensity, which may clarify the relationship between owner-cat activities and behaviour problems. A previous study by Heidenberger used a large sample population and measured different problems. However, the overall statement parallels that of this study, concluding cat owners need to utilise environmental enrichments for domestic indoor cats as part of management and treatment of behavioural problems within households.